Weighing just over 3 pounds and packing down to less than 14 inches, this antenna is exceptionally portable and can be assembled by a single person in under 3 minutes. It offers impressive frequency agility, covering 8 high-frequency bands from the 40-meter band all the way up to the 6-meter band. Tuning is straightforward thanks to the sliding multiband coil, allowing operators to achieve a very low standing wave ratio, often near 1.1 to 1, without needing an external tuner. The package includes all necessary components for deployment, from the 4 aluminum tube sections and base to the stainless steel whip and a 10-strand ground radial system. With a power handling capacity of up to 100 watts for single-sideband transmissions, it is fully compatible with virtually any modern amateur radio transceiver. Its user-friendly split design makes it an ideal choice for a variety of operating situations, including parks on the air activations and temporary balcony setups.